Good morning. I'm Dr. B. Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about decision making in Python. Introduction to decision making. Decision making in Python. Decision making allows the program to choose a path. Program flow depends on conditions. Conditions are evaluated as true or false. Based on condition, result code block executes, implemented using if statement. Why decision making is required? To control program execution flow, to handle user input logically, to avoid unnecessary code execution, to solve real world problems, to improve program efficiency, to make program intelligent and dynamic. Types of decision making statements. Python provides 4 types. If statement, if else statement, if else statement, nested if statement. If statement. Definition. Executes code only when condition is true. No execution when condition is false. Simplest decision making statement used for single condition checking. Example, if condition statement executes. Indentation is mandatory, that is space is mandatory in Python. Condition must return true or false. Here the flow chart, it starts condition. If it is true, it will execute, otherwise it will come to end. Example, you're going to find whether the number is positive or what. Here you're getting input, num is equal to input of enter a number. If the number is greater than 0, print number is positive, that's it. Here no else statements. If the condition is true, if you're giving input is 1, it will print number is positive. If you're giving the input -1, it won't print anything. This is known as simple if statement. Next one is if else statement. Executes one block when condition is true, executes another block when condition is false. Guarantees execution of one block. Used for binary decision making. If else syntax. If the condition is true, statement, otherwise else statement. This is the flow chart. Condition is true, execute block 1, otherwise it will execute block 2, and then it will come to the end. The example program is whether you are going to find the number is odd or even. Here you are getting input, enter a number. If the number is modulo 2, if it is 0, it will print even, otherwise it will print odd. If you are entering the number 5, 5 modulo 2 is equal to 1. So 1 is not equal to 0, automatically it will come to the else part, and then it will print the value or odd number. If you are giving 10, 10 modulo 2, the remainder is 0, 0 equal to 0. So it will print the if condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the if block only. It will print even number. Yes, 10 is even number. Next, the same example. If the mark is greater than 50, pass, otherwise fail. For that, you are getting the input from the user. You are checking the condition. If the condition is true, if part will work, otherwise else part will work. Here, suppose you are giving 60. In mark, it will store 60. 60 is greater than 50. The condition is true. It will print pass. Now we are entering 20. The 20 will store in mark. 20 is greater than 50. Condition is false. It will go to the else part. It will automatically print fail. If else if statement used to check multiple conditions. Conditions checked from top to bottom. First true condition executes, else block executes if all condition fail. Thank you.